Yes, Nami, I was full of shit. I remember being an introducer is this lady in Safara from constipation. So this lady introduced me to this thing. So when I got there, I just fell in love with the feeling after.
013 Golden Circle, another day, another dollars. We are coming back to you live from Mam Sebeletsi. Why ngithi Mam Sebeletsi namhlanje we've decided mhlambe ukuthi ke sithi ukuba educated a bit. Yaba? Because next to me I'm sitting with uNondumiso Ntuli, who is a hydrotherapist, ne? Hydrotherapist usisi osebenza ngama-colons. Abantu abangazi ukuthi ama-colon yini. Namhlanje we are very much fortunate because we're going to learn. We're going to learn. Now I remember when I came here the first time, kwathiwa musi shalo jikela ngada sibone ukuthi liphi plan esingalenza. Ngathi mina So most of us maybe we might not know what is a colon therapist, hydrotherapist into efana nalezo, but nami angeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngani ngoba okuningi angikwazi. Ngizofunda namhlanje. Nondumiso. Kunjani manje?
Ngiyaphila wena unjani?
No, you're right, and thank you very much for allowing us as a 013 to come to your space and invade it. Ke uvale business for few minutes nyana ke sithi ukuxoxa nawe. You understand?
It's an honor. It's an honor.
No, it's
We
an
are
honor.
humbled.
We're not taking it light. Yeah. But then, before we get into the business, who is Nondumiso?
It's me.
Yes, I know it's you. Yeah, ushale batho mahlangu bani wathi mahlangu kimi. Who is Nondumiso?
Nondumiso, it's me. It's just a Lokshin girl. I grew up in Ninja. I studied at Greendale. So I'm a local girl. Yes, and then I was working at a big company until I fell onto this. So mangwela kulento lena, I fell in love with it. And I resigned from where I was working to fully focus on this. To fully, like every day, 24/7. You call me, I show up. You have a problem at 6, I'm here. You have a problem at 5, 6 afternoon, I'm here.
Yazi kuzo zonke izinto ekhona.
Oh, I'm a mom also. I'm a
You are
mom.
a mom.
I'm a
Yes,
mom.
yeah, no. That is very much important.
Yes,
Ngizala abantu. Ngizala abantu.
abantwana.
Yeah.
mfowethu.
Ngithi mina, hey, kuzo zonke izinto ezikhona emhlabeni, you know. When I contacted you the first time, I was like, I think Tintelo sisopeyitayo.
At least when we begin politely, because Baz was assisting lo sis wamakaka. So you were very polite, like don't even feel guilty. It gets worse.
I was actually gonna go there ukuthi kuzo zonke izinto ezikhona. I mean, you were working kahle usebenza kamnandi permanently, and then you decided to concentrate on shit.
Yes, ubeke kahle kakhulu. I like it like that because I always tell people ukuthi your behavior, ngendlela behavior ngayo, sometimes you must come to me so that things will check out. Are you not full of shit? Because when your colon is full of shit, the shit goes right up
To the head.
and you start thinking shitty and making shitty decisions.
Exactly.
Just because of your colon that is being unhealthy.
No, kindly take us through this
Yeah.
the thing that you're doing.
Okay, so it's an honor that you give me this opportunity because akusikaningi abantu bazokuhlalisa phansi bakubuze ukuthi uwenzani.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's very much important that people should learn ukuthi it's not all about uge toilet ukuyokaka. Your colon is the large intestine in your body. Its job or umsebenzi wayo is to make sure ukuthi it's the last part of digestion, so it must make sure it absorbs the nutrients from the food okudlile so that it can prepare for elimination. What's not needed after the absorbing of nutrients, eliminate. That's where most of the problem is, because imizimba yethu ngoba icolon yethu ihlale igcwele igcina ingaka-absorbanga ama-nutrients, and uma ingaka-absorbanga ama-nutrients, there's no way you'll go to the toilet, hence you'll find yourself being constipated. So icolon ibaluleke ngoba kumele most of your mood originates from a healthy colon. That is why colon sometimes masikhuluma thina sithi my gut told me. What is a gut? A gut is your colon. gut feeling, yes. So maungaseva leya gut feeling leya, it's an indication that your colon has a problem. Uma sokhona ukuphakela ukudla kube ngaka, you must know ukuthi that small voice that is coming from your colon awusayizwa, because your colon is your second brain. So maungasayiva wena leya small voice leya, so operate ngani ngengcondo, umkhohliso omkhulu, because the only thing ingcondo ezokutshela yona ukuthi ulambile. It's hardly ingcondo yakho ukuthi ikutshele ukuthi hamba uphuza amanzi, but izoloku ikutshela ukuthi idla mfowethu, idla mfowethu, idla mfowethu. So a healthy colon is very, very, very important. It's not about to get tolerant, it's your overall well-being. Manye explain us to some people in a simpler form. Manengisho ukuthi colon is more like an engine of a car. Once the engine of the car ingasebenzi, ikari angeke izihambe. Noma ingahambi ihamba kayi-2 kayi-3 istop, because there's a problem with the engine of the car. So is your colon. Icolon yakho i-engine yomzimba wakho. You see, so it must absorb the food you eat, the nutrients from the food you eat, and distribute it. Like if it absorbed fiber, it must distribute it to an organ that needs fiber. If it absorb any nutrients, it must a skin nutrient, it must transport it to the. So if it's not working, all of that, it's not possible that it starts working. Bese siyamangala, we start suffering from things like constipation, we are bloated, and it's insomnia, awusalali kahle ebusuku. So when we are always low energy, and for all of us, not only males, but we all basically we start suffering from what? Libido, low sex drive. Yes, remember, as I mentioned, your colon is as tall as you. So if it's full, it expands. And once it expands, it sits on the nearest organs. You see? So how are you going to have erection? When the lower organs are being suppressed by a colon full of shit. We say, hey. Yes, so ibaluleke kakhulu, because once waqala usune low sex drive, what happens? Depression. So depression also originates from a colon that is unhealthy. You see, and once you start over depression, what do you create? You create a low metabolism. Icolon yakho ayisafunctioni kahle. Once icolon yakho ingasafunctioni kahle, ingasa-eliminate ukungcola out of your system, then it means la ngaphakathi kwakho wena sowugcwele ukungcola, you will have excessive acid, excessive gas, excessive bile inyongo. And it's because liver yakho will forever be excreting bile, not seeing, because all your organs, they continue doing as normal.
Siswami ngiyakuzwa ne uyayichaza, but then I'm like more interested as to what really inspired you to go and pursue this career that is full of shit.
All right, I was full of shit myself. Yes, Nami, I was full of shit. I remember being an introducer is this lady in Safara from constipation. So this lady introduced me to this thing. So when I got there, I just fell in love with the feeling after. Because it was like I am being given a new body. You know, because there is satisfaction in going to the toilet. Yeah, waphuma etoilet ukakile kwakakeka. Mawubaba ungacala manje ujuba utshani. Mawumama ungacala manje upheke. Sunday course enye serious kakhulu, because ukake kwakakeka. So ukaka, after I went there and I came back and I felt like, wow, I can think better. Yes, because mawuso ukakile wakaka, if icolon yakho ingcolile, it affects even your brain fog, yabo. Ugcina so namanye nje ama lokho nje ungasawa understands, ama instances, ama circumstances so blurry. In other words, I remember one time umunye baba aku session and wangibuza wathi sisi i-light niyal adjust, na ngathi no, asil adjust, wathi no, mangifika la it was a bit darker. But as we go through the session, it's becoming more bright. So it removes even the blurriness in your eyes. Ukuthi ukake ukakeke. Yeah, kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ukake kukakeke na uphuma uzivile nje. So mangibuya ngizithola ukuthi ye madoda kanti I've been lying to myself ngithi ngiyagaga because my sessions were in Pretoria. So mangibuza ukuthi why ningana branch eWitbank, they will like, if we find somebody who's interested to study. Yes, so I was like, please look no further. Ngiyazinikela. Yay, ngiyazinikela. I want to do this. Yes, so it healed me from so many things. I had severe acne. Yeah, if you can check me then and now, you see, it reversed my age.
Yeah.
Yes, it reversed my age. I look younger than I am. You see, it's because what my system is, and yangifundisa nokudla kahle. Yes, so I don't wake up and eat. Even if I wake up and eat, then it means I will stay for 5 to 6 hours not eating, allowing my body to fully digest what I ate and go to the toilet before I can eat another meal.
There's something that is coming into my mind here manje, because what normally happens mhlambe njengami yabo uthothi ngiqeda ukudla mhlambe after 30 minutes or 15 minutes or so isisu sesiyaqala sithi kubangwa yini lo.
That could mean ukuthi your food had not settled as it's supposed to. So uguruguru yakhumbula kudala masithi sisuguruguru bebathi ulambile. Yes. So it's a good example leyo ukuthi wena so udlile. So why uguruguru? Uyabona ukuthi akusukuthi ulambile. Uguruguru, it means ukudla in your tummy has not gone down. So when you add more food, now there's a fight of breaking. So now your system must work hard to break the food that you just ate, and which your colon, it does not have space of movement. In our colon trends, we call it peristalsis. It's the movement in the colon is not working. So it's war inside of you.
So labo kurr laba kushuthi manje kuthrowa ama missiles lapha.
Yeah, kuthiwa bafowethu lo muntu usinike project. Mara there are no funds. Uthi this project must complete. Mara akasinikazanga the resources to complete the project. That's what we do.
Look, what are the dangers maybe of like not doing this the therapy or colon therapy?
The dangers are that you'll forever be bloated, you'll be constipated, it will show on your skin. You'll live in an acidic system. So once your body is acidic, then you are bound to you are not immune to any diseases. Another one is that when your colon, there's no movement there, remember what happens. The dirt sits on the lining of the colon, meaning it closes the absorption of the colon, meaning your colon is not absorbing any nutrients. And if it's not absorbing any nutrients, it closes down. And once it closes, it's moist there. It's dirty. You see waste management system. Yes, that's how it is. So kungcolile lapha kunetibungu kunayo yonke lento, and what's the worst that could happen? Colon cancer. And once you have colon cancer, there's no cure. You are a chronic patient. You must take your medication until Lord Jesus prepares your house in heaven.
So kubalekile vele kahle kahle.
It's one of the preventative measures of colon cancer. Colon cleanse. Yes, it's that which we call prevention is better than cure. You don't want to get there because sometimes you'll find people but no, when among my colon cleanse, the first question they will ask you is, what's wrong with you? No, there shouldn't be something wrong with you before you take care of yourself.
So you should just go and do it.
Prevention is better than cure. And once you do it when there's nothing wrong, you are preventing it from happening in the future. You not doing it now because you think you are fine. Remember what I said, your colon is as tall as you. It has space. You are not fine. It's just that your colon still have space. Yes.
So colon cleansing has got to do with assisting with less constipation.
Yep, one of it, yes, your less constipation, yes, because when you do colon cleanses, we open this much space, so that your colon, mouse nigga a project, mouse nigga gudla can quickly go through with the project.
Now let's paint out this scenario. Someone has never done a colon cleansing, but the person is a regular visitor to the toilet. Yes. Then how kuba possible kanjani?
Okay, let's make another scenario. Your car has never stopped on the road. Zange ki ime endleleni, mawuthi Cape Town, ithi Cape Town, but that does not mean when it says 15,000 you don't take it for service. Yes. So even our system, the more you don't take it, if you go to the toilet, as I said earlier, Guti, it's not that you are fine, but you have space. And remember, ispace lesi mawuloku usebenzisa mara unga-clear up. You see, like, imagine if we had clothes from zabantwana bethu from when they were born. How will be the closet now?
Yeah, no,
Yes, ngabe so ukuthi sekana 3 angithi ukuthi nje makathi 10 3 si remove lesi maka 10 lo si remove lokho. So now system yakho, if you can treat it like that, ukuthi okay, I always tell people abaye gymini ukuthi when we are gymini uyakaka every day and whatever. And the nicest part is that when you go to the gym, you are doing the breaking up in your colon. I need the more uthi, it's an exercise, so you are doing it in your colon. The more you don't remove, wena ufana nomuntu mawe gymini yazi ufana nomuntu wenzani ocleanayo mara iziba zibeke lapha ekhoneni. Sasa futhi ujime iziba uzibeke kona uyacleana vele, but you keep piling up the dirt. Yes, that is why bese makugcwele you export. If you can see most of the people abajima bajima kakhulu but umkhaba ungayehli. Yes, because they're not dealing with the colon, they are dealing with the fats.
So asithi njengami yangibona mina ngizokhuluma ngami yabona ngoba nayi i-project nayi asithi ngiyezayo ngithi okay Nondumiso, let me be your client. Ne? How long is it going to take ukuthi umzala lo?
Yes, that's why when people come here for weight loss, we tell them, Guti, our job, we kick it off for you. Remember, Maupumala, the way you'll be feeling light, it's a first motivation. That you go home, you do what? You change your eating diet. Yes, then you're gonna win. But Maupumala, ubuyele futhi kupapa neskopo, like le spaces is vulile within 2 days usivalile. But when you can work towards good when le spaces ivuliwe, you even open it more when you get home. Consuming a lot of fiber. I need fiber-filled foods. I need drinking water. So now you are working towards being better because one, you have kicked it off. Uzophuma la vele ufila light, uzophuma ufila i-6 pack. Yes, because remember you have to visualize it before it becomes before it becomes visible. You have to visualize it. Okay, I feel it, yeah. And then even nonkulunkulu in the universe, they can see, no, you believe it can happen, then it starts happening.
So even if mhlambe they can say okay, now the medication they khona la
Moring.
Yeah, iphi le mhlambe singayibheka le assista ukulehlisa umzala.
Yeah, cure weight.
Cure weight.
Yeah.
Ngiyayithatha cure weight and then I don't do the actual
colon
therapy.
Cleanse.
Yeah.
So it will take forever. Because remember what I said, if your colon is at this state, absorption is less of good nutrients. You see, so maybe you can even finish 4 packs before the penetration of the nutrients starts to be received by your colon. Yes, but listen.
To speed up the process, one has to.
Yes, open up your organs. I need to open up your organs so that they can absorb the goodness of whatever that you are trying to do. Hence, I would always say to people, everything that they say is for what? It's for what? It works, well. It works wondrous. But it depends on the receiver. Yes, how your system receives it. It's very important. If when uzo tenga this very expensive, but your colon is not working well, it will take you forever.
Have you had a patient whereby I decided no, afune a grand shop ngizoza, then bese maseka fika la mnyango abe nama second thought?
Yeah, kakhulu. But again, we psychologists here. We'll sit you down, we'll let you see it, that you need it, and we wouldn't be lying. Another thing that made me fall in love with colon cleansing is you see it. Yes, you see it. Like when you are lying here, while you're feeling it, you see it. Yes.
Ilo kanje. Bathini lento lena? Ilo kanje man. Nalelo kanje. Legama liyangibalekela. Yeah, okay. The difference between the small and the large intestine, umsebenzi wawo yini?
Okay. The large intestine, angithi, is the colon. The small intestine, you can say it's more like transport. It transports food from the stomach to the colon. Yes, that is why if colon yako ingasi right, then even there's blockages from ilo kind, the small intestine also gets affected. Angithi, and ebesenzani ikosa blockage eyenzani stop the food from the stomach, angithi, to go to the stomach, and then bese that's when bloating happens. Ngoba now ukudla nako ucumbelele, you can't swallow because there's no space to receive what you just ate. And it's because the transport that needs to transport is also blocked.
The core function of the services that you render, the colon cleansing,
It's your wellness. Yes, the core function of colon cleanse is each person's wellness. Ukuthi ube right. Your eating habits, and we need to change your eating habits. But if your colon is not healthy, you always have cravings. Yes, so when you have cravings, you are forever eating unnecessary.
Yile nto bengithi ngifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi mhlambe if one has an unhealthy colon, upapa lakhe uhlala edla njalo but lokuyeza, and then how do you like reconcile the fact that lo muntu loyo okoko atya?
Okoko aja, this thing is here after you have cleansed. Yes, after the cravings will definitely decrease. The fact that you have seen the kaka moving out of your system, like it shocks your mind to realize how much dirt has been stored in your system. So when and it awakens your conscious, which is your colon. Your colon is also your conscious because it's that small voice. So now when it awakens these things, if you can take it, once you do colon cleanse, you're going to listen to the small voice. You're gonna be fine. Tina sipuma, because like I always tell people, this body does not have favorite foods. Favorite foods, it's what you eat all the time. If uzodli papa ngo-10, udli papa ngo-8, udli papa kusasa, and every day udli papa wena, your body will call for it. Izokubuza, it's hayi phela awusiphanga lento yethu. Yes, if you can check Tina, colon yethu, I think our system never calls for cucumber. Why? Because we don't eat cucumber all the time. We have not taught our bodies cucumber. So it does not call for what it doesn't know. So when somebody wants to lose weight, that's the first thing we say. We say, write down all what you assume as your favorite foods, what you think your body loves the most. And those are the things we cut out from your diet. All the things that wena ucabanga ukuthi just for 21 days. And then after 21 days, check yourself if you still think about papa. No. Our bodies sebenza ngokuthi in 7 days a new habit generates. Like if ungahlala 7 days ungadli papa, day 8 umzimba wakho papa awusalibhizi unless when ulifake. But once wahlala ungalidli umzimba wahlala 14 days umzimba wakho forgets about it papa. Sekuzoya ngawe ke. So after 21 days kuzoya ngawe ukuthi wena what do you want to introduce back into your system? But your body, from all the food you've cut and you did not default for 21 days, your body will not.
So it will be 21 days consistent.
Yes, because yabona abantu bayenza baya diet because it's not a lifestyle. If it's a lifestyle, you maintain it throughout. But if it's a diet, Monday bayangena ku diet, umzimba yazothini uthi hayi bafo ningayenzi nix lo muntu uyadlala. Day 2 uthi ningachiefdi simile sinje. Day 3 umzimba uthi asenzi nix. Day 4 umzimba uthi ngathi lo muntu lo uyasigaba manje. Day 5 umzimba uthi hayi bafowethu ngathi seriously siyagaba. but ningamuvi. Yes. Day 6 umzimba uthi hayi khona. Kwaba ukusasa la sinyile. Yes, we are gone. Day 7 umzimba uthi let's give up. Yes. So thina senzani siya dieta at the Monday to Friday morning. The only thing Friday healthy esidlayo is the breakfast. After that ziyaduma. Ziyawa.
Yeah.
So Monday mawubuyela ku diet you still have the same struggle.
Kufanele ukuthi usebenzele emuva.
Oh yes, starvation is serious.
But then asithi ke udecide ukuthi okay, sengireduce just net the size of the food that I'm consuming. Ne? I'm not cutting out anything. I'm just reducing the size of the food that I'm consuming. Is that effective?
It is very effective because we call it calorie deficient. We become you go into a calorie deficient. The trick is how often will you be eating. So after you ate that small portion, are you gonna allow your body to fully digest the meal before you eat again? My fear with people who eat small portions, who start by eating small portion, they don't get full because they are not used to it. So they eat small portion throughout the day, which makes out the large portions they normally eat.
What will be the recommendation then?
The recommendation will be that cut starch when you start the process. Cut starch, cut sugar, cut flour, cut red meat, and then allow your system to understand where it is now. And then when you take it back, you'll do it small portion, and your body will allow you. But if you just start by cutting starch, cutting portions, eating the same food but cutting portions, you'll get the very same results. Yes. So firstly, in short, what I mean is that fully detox. Get it out of your system. Ube discipline. And kick it from there. Bari waqala nje manje mawuphuma la vele uthi mfundo mina vele iDawood ngithengele mara ngizoyishaya half. Check out the Dawood is. It's full of everything wrong. Fried, processed, oil, everything wrong. So when I will say no, I ate this. Abanye yazi bani bathini, hey mina angisumuntu wokudla. Like angidli kakhulu ukudla ngikuthandi mina uzongithola ukuthi ngidla kayi1 ngelanga ngithi that's lovely but what do you eat? Udla ibheka. I'm like getting ngama mane wadlela ipapa nenyama. But you ate everything wrong. So you spare yourself the whole day just to eat wrong.
Yabona halfway lana sesithola session yakamahala ukuthi fanele wazi ukuthi ezinye zezinto mhlambe na ungathi ucabanga iMcDonald's uthi no McDonald's sizoyibona.
Yes.
Ngizothola ipapanyana.
Elincane nyane lingaka.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ayazwa ngisho so azifake sidlo kanje mfundo ngoba sizathi sisuka lana bese siyangada la sihlala siyakhona emjulukweni. Fike basinikeza ipapa lapha nenyama yenhloko. Yeah, uyabona sidle bese setshela ukuthi hayi bathi ipapa is
Portions. That's why I said cleanse yourself so that when you cleanse yourself, your body will take its original size. Because remember where we are now, where everybody is now except moi, we have stretched our tummy. So our tummy is no longer this size. Our tummy is big because we have stretched it to allow all the food. And the tummy is very kind. It will take all the food you give it. If it's like this, when a logo yadla, iyavula kancane. Udle futhi ivule to make space for logo like uvule it. That's why you end up having what much appetite because uyivulile wena and because you are the owner of this body, it's gonna allow you. It's gonna open up to allow the food you wanna take.
Isn't losing weight a painful thing?
It is a painful thing. You know why it is a painful thing? It's not our norm to eat less and the food that we are eating. So that's why it's painful for us because we have to sacrifice what we grew up eating. Yes, it's very painful. And why is it painful? Because tina masi say losing weight, to losing weight, we call it a diet. And when you call it a diet, your mind will challenge you. Yeah, you'll wake up in the morning and your mind will be like, you are on diet, baby. You see, unlike when you say to yourself, you know what, this is my lifestyle going forward. You have confused your system. I ask, but what is a lifestyle? It will hear from who? From you. Yes, good. What is a lifestyle? So mawuvuka ekuseni wena uziphuzela amanzi wakho awomu, ane-lemon, ane-ginger, uziphuzela, i-system yakho ithi, okay, I think this is a lifestyle. Yes. Bese kusasa izokukhumbuza for system yakho ukuthi yeah, give yourself phela that lifestyle because it doesn't know. It hears from you. But if it's a diet, your system will be like, what about McDonald's? So every day you must prove yourself to your system. Goes, no, not today.
It's like the same as quitting smoking. Fanele uzitshele ukuthi yazi angisayenzi mina le nto le. Kuna something, okay, all of us nabantu ababukele lapho siyakaka sonke. Ne? And we all of us are taking out different colors. I want to ask you about the green color. Yeah, the green color.
The green color, most of the time we have to check if what have you ate. Yes. If you have not eaten anything bad, like anything that color. Yes, like if you've ate maybe your spinach or whatever. If it's just green, then it means your gallbladder is not working. So it's a call for concern. If it's green, you must just find help. Yes, there is something wrong in your colon. But most of the time, green is the food we eat.
So if you've taken something that is green and then
Like if you've taken beetroot, we'll see red. And it's by the time we are finishing cleansing.
So,
we'll
but then
see.
if you haven't taken anything green, but then you defecate green,
Yes, then it's a call for concern. Yes, there is something that is not well in your system.
you see, by sitting with you here today, nami endoda ngikhipha amanye amagama nsu yebhuku. Bangeva ngikhuluma ngo-defecate wena. No, Dumiso, I want you to take us through the first experience when you started out as a colon high.
Yes, hydrotherapy.
The first experience mawupeyita umuntu.
Yep, the first experience mangipeyita umuntu, because after the training we felt ready. Like no, Masocha Sempin put an advert because we are open for business. Yes, buyani. Sing trainee women buyani. Yes. I was even swearing because the speculum, I don't know how I've put it. The kakas were coming out here like this. You see, I'm holding it like this.
Yeah.
And I can feel what the person is really doing it on my hand. The person is busy on my hand. But again, as much as I need to look, I had to keep a straight face. Because no. So this person magati sisingathi kaphuma ngithi no, it's fine. It's possible. Yes, it is possible. Yes. But again.
So the first experience that you had,
Yeah.
wakakelwe isandla.
Yes. I think it was God blessing the work of my hands. Yeah, I'll take it like that.
So take us through that procedure, you know.
Yes.
Because mina la ngihleli khona manje njengoba uqeda ukukhuluma kanje, I'm like, okay, should to assist abantu ukuthi bakake fast, what's happening?
Yeah. So the procedure is a slow infusion of warm water into the colon. So what we do, we insert a speculum into your rectum. On the speculum, sifake ama-pipe ayi-2. Ne? One pipe is for water infusion and the other is for waste, is your temporary toilet. Meaning water will be going in and doing all the work. Yes, it hydrates, it softens all the hard, dry, old, undigested foods in your colon, and then when it's ready to leave the body, the temporary toilet will flush it out. You'll be able to see it going through a pipe and straight to the sewer. You know, like I salivate because it means something is happening. So seeing it, it's me saying job well done.
Now tell me, ngifika lana angiphathwanga i-toilet. Wena uzongenza ukuthi ngiye-toilet?
Very well, because what we do, Tina, we go to far up there. Remember, spade lesakdala would bend down and it's sithi pju usheke uhambe. So Tina, you sleep like this, you face up. Yes, so the water will circulate all over the colon from the ascending to the transverse to the descending. And especially sona senza and say attender the descending part, and which is what the movable foods. Tina siyalela ukudla sakudla nge-2010 nge-World Cup ukudla kuze nama-China ne yilokho ke.
Yonke la setup lena nje ukuthi manje ukudla engikudle nenini emasokaneni
Yeah.
vele kuphume 8
Yeah, kuphume ikak 8.
ilo kanje ke normally umuntu if they've come to la ekhaya ka colon health
Yeah.
procedure, how long does it take? Is it a 3-month thing or what?
Oh, yeah, it's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle.
When you come the first time you come, I guess we always recommend you take 3 sessions, which you can take consecutively, meaning you can do it within a month. That's our recommendation. You do it within a month. Yes.
So okay, no problem.
Yeah. And then you can plan yourself today, next week, but within a month, the 3 sessions. And then after that, it's a lifestyle now. And it's like your car. Remember, your car, I go service it once. And it's your car might go to save 15,000, maybe year go 30,000, year go 45 until and it's if maintenance plans, we sell
So now
maintenance
people
plans.
who are normally coming here, are they here for the weight loss program, or apart from the weight loss program, what other things do you offer?
Yeah, if they are not coming, it's all wellness. They are coming to be well. They're coming to lose weight. They are coming for anything that has to do with
But at the end of the day,
Yeah,
bazolose
wellness.
the weight.
Yeah, they will
Or
definitely.
it depends on
Remember the phrase that says you are what you eat.
what you eat.
You definitely are what you eat. So why do we not get to being who we are when we eat? It's because we are not learned about what we should eat, how we should eat. So when they come here, we start teaching them how to eat, what to eat, when to worry. Yes, like you ate, you never go to the toilet, you start worrying. We're teaching them that. So we do a lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle switch.
No, siswami, every day ungumuntu ovuka ayosebenza ngamakaka.
Boy, oh boy, and I can't wait to wake up each day to come to this place.
And manje you seeing different kinds of
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Omunye ubaba ngibamba kakhulu omunye ubaba kwathi angikona uyasinceda mara angi-understand ukuthi amanye amantombazana ayahamba ayofunda ama-nails, ayofunda hairdressing and what. Wena uyahamba usufuna ukubona amakaka we-South Africa yonke.
Ish. Because like really at least mfundo mina namhlanje khona into engibambile, and I think ukusaba mhlamba, I don't know, I'm not promising anything though. Ngizokubekela aside ke ngizokufonela ngeleli lamalanga ngithi ngiyeza.
Ngiyacela ukuthi Miss,
You suggest
you know what else in there? Look, le phlegm, bronchitis. Thina masifunda vele bayasitshela ukuthi if you've got 100 diseases, 90% of those diseases originate from an unhealthy colon. When your colon is fine and operating as it's meant to, you'll be the healthiest being ever. So, lining of the colon, when it gets like logo igcwala ukungcola, colon accumulator mucus. Mucus is it's something that is meant to be there because it protects the lining of the colon. Yes, that is duty. Like look, ngisho for the movement. Yes, smooth movement in the colon. But mawungasayi etoilet icolon ingasasebenzi, ne? It kungaba umsebenzi wayo ukuthi ibe khona generate le mucus, it keeps on generating, and then what does it do? It starts leaking. And when it starts leaking, iyenzani? Ikhosa lezifo lezi ke. Boma phlegm, bronchitis, yonke lento izifuba, bo asthma, all of that, they originate from an unhealthy colon. Kuthi kuye kuqale kwaba yi-unhealthy colon and mucus generator excessively.
In the case of a child, maybe let's say a child is suffering from a bronchitis, the child is hardly 5 years old, or then what's the cause of that?
The cause of that also the food we give them, the food we feed them. That is why it's very important that you always check. Umntwana ukuthi uyile toilets. Man, I ask my boys, did you poo? Did you poo? It's a norm of the house because I have to know what they poo. Even the food that they eat, you check them. We give them 2 minutes noodles. Yes. So that thing, why is it 2 minutes noodles? A lot of processing has been done to it so that you can just put it there and then eat it. So we eat unhealthy foods. When I will McDonald's. Yes. You see? So it's a whole lot of things. So if it was not a condition from birth and you were now so cooler, you check the food that we are eating. Our kids, we hardly call them to drink water. Every time spateleli oros. Every time spateleli oros. We hardly call them to say, hey, when I was opposed man's. You see?
Yes, this I think brings us to the end of the session for today. Ne? The question that I have. Yeah. Should umuntu vela lale lapha dedle bese maqeda lapho umfaka le pipe? Akufakwa pipe or kwenzakala?
No. When you go inside our rooms, you lie facing up.
Yeah.
Yes, you lie facing up. And after that, you turn to the side. You turn sidely. So the only thing that will be on my face is the space where I need to insert my speculum. And that process of me inserting the speculum, it's plus minus 3 seconds. You will feel it's a foreign object going inside of you.
Yeah.
So you will definitely feel it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then mushito therapy.
Mawuqeda lapho, you turn right up. You face up. You are well covered. The whole process, you can be even on your phone while going through the process. We will be talking. It's a therapy, like it said. It's a water therapy. Hydro is water, so it's a water therapy. You'll be lying there. Water will be going in. Waste will be going out, and I'll be telling you, it's too yellow. Are you consuming a lot of sugar? Are you consuming a lot of acid? Angithi or ukuthi kuyaphuma about tompi, listen, you are constipated, there's not much fiber in your body, so that is why it shows severe constipation. Masithi siyafaka ukuthi siyabona ukuthi no, this is diarrhea. Angithi so when there's diarrhea, there's constipation, it shows that you have a imbalance of bacteria, meaning the good bacteria overpowers the bad, or the bad overpowers the loci. Because when it's like that, constipation or diarrhea, it means it's irregular. It's not supposed to be that. You must just sit on the toilet and it must slide out.
How long does the session?
The session, it takes, if you speak a lot, then we can go 1 hour 40 minutes. I'm joking. The session is 30 to 45 minutes. Yes, 30 to 45 minutes, and then we are okay.
Okay, so I'd like to know, is there an age limit now? For example, can kids do it, and
Yes.
can adults go?
Yes, from 10 years to 80. Yes.
Ilokanje, do you have a catalog whereby maybe kunama prizes wakho?
Yeah, I do have a pamphlet.
Okay, thina sizolithatha mhlambe sizokulokanjela. Yeah, ne? Sizodayilenga nathi mhlambe sibone ukuthi siza nini. Let's say I'm interested in are you working on medical aid or you take
Okay,
cash?
Tina, medical aid, they will never accept us because
You're full of shit.
we are full of shit. No, we are not full of shit. We take out shit from people and it makes people well. Sibavulisa ingqondo. We teach them how to eat. So the doctors, they get less patients because we heal them. Tina, we are anti-medicine. Yes, Tina, we are into herbs.
In closing, maybe kindly tell us ukuthi, what are the services that you offer?
Okay, what we do here, we are all about wellness. One, our specialty is colon cleanse. This colon cleanse we do and we do infrared heat sauna. So we do everything that has to do with detoxing the body. We do colon cleansing, which is detoxing through kakaring. We do iodic foot detox, which is also detoxing the body, the organs. Now, the food detox, we detox the organs like your heart, your kidney, your bladder, your liver. Yes. So, and then we do infrared heat sauna, which is also detoxing through heat and sweating. So you sweat the dirt out of your system. Yes. And then we are weight loss people. Yeah, no, more for new weight loss, hit us up.
So it's all about the lifestyle.
It's about it. And we just recently introduced some IV drips.
What are those?
IV drips, it's infusing into the bloodstream. Yes, like the vitamins.
But in gut health.
They are different. There are different packages. Yes, yeah. We have a gutsy. We have your energy, papalaza. Yes. Like your jet fuels, nje. Yeah, we fuel your body.
And then for those that will want to get in touch with you, are you available on my socials?
Please hit me up.
What are your social?
Ning follow, share. TikTok, it's colon health Wheatbank _06. Mara wathi colon health Wheatbank uzongibona mina nenhloko yami enkulu ngivela. Wathi Google wathi colon health Wheatbank uzongibona. So wathi Facebook wathi colon health Wheatbank uzongibona. Wathi Instagram wathi colon health Wheatbank uzongibona.
So as long as they type colon health
Wheatbank, yes,
they should put the Wheatbank.
Wheatbank, very important.
That's when they will get Unondumiso Ntuli. Thank you very much, Nondumiso, for allowing us to come to your space. Like I've said when we started the session, we have learned a lot, and I think mhlambe nathi sizothatha ukuthuka sikubekele le madala side.
Ba like kuzokusiza.
Yeah. I'm not promising anything though, but yeah.
You know what? You must promise this body.
Sizoyixoxa. Uyabona sekunama flame. Now ukhwehlela.
Free session.
Hey, nakho
Yeah, no, it's
013 golden second.
Yes.
Khumza too. Stof Samalahle.
Yeah.
Live from Lava Colon Health Wheatbank with Unondumiso, our colon hydrotherapist. We have learned a lot today, and I do believe ukuthi nani lapha emakhaya you've learned a lot. But then mangabe there's something that you want to question, she has already mentioned ama social media handles wakhe. Mthinte uze sizolokanja, and I'm also looking forward for my free session.
It's free.
My free session, I'm looking forward for my Mahala session. Most probably when we finish here, I'm gonna do my free session. Yeah, so that next time nanmaningibona nazi ukuthi umzala. Slowly. Yeah, siyamhafula. With that said, C013, thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to follow us kuma social media handles wethu. By now you know them. 013 Golden Circle in ibhaleni lapha ku Instagram na ku TikTok, then Golden Circle on Facebook. Ku X sesikhona. Konje lapha ku X ngakajwayele mfundo. Is 013 still, but once wangathi 013 no siyaswelakala. And yeah, thank you very much. Continue to support us ngoba siyakhula kancane, because as you have seen the previous episodes, slogu siyahamba sishona ngapha nangapha, ama background wethu ayachinja. We want to put the 013 into practice to show ukuthi siya noma ikuphi la kufanele sifinyelele khona. Khumzatso 013 Golden Circle, siyabonga bakithi. Thank you very much. Siyaphuma emakakeni.
Thank you. And in Ipula, you are full of shit. I'm not happy about that. Thank you.